Hey, what is the major reason many salespeople are not succeeding? I can easily say that most of the salespeople are in their comfort zone. They're sitting in their comfort zone. Okay, that comfort zone, maybe they're meeting their target, $1 million business, they're doing it. It was hard when they were started their career, it was very hard. But after a couple of years, it's become a regular, it become a comfortable position to close the deal. And once they reach their target of a 1 million in a month, they become more comfortable. They're sitting idly, or they don't need to do any conscious effort to produce result. This unconscious habit can produce the result. So if you rely on your comfort zone for many years, you will become a failure in sales, because when the market change, when the client change, your comfort zone will never help you to succeed. So if you really want to become successful in sales, stretch your limit all the time and don't let yourself sit in a comfort zone. Break your comfort zone every time. Today's challenge will become comfortable maybe next year. So make sure you are stretching your comfort boundaries every year, every quarter, and every 6 months. So this is your responsibility to break your comfort limit. This is me, Casac Benjali, the business coach and the sales expert.